Hi guys, welcome back to another beautiful video of Cybrosys technology. So today we are going to check out the Odoo Planning Module dashboard overview and see how it can make organizing our week super easy. So let's think of the screen as our mission control for this week. So it shows who's doing what, when, and with what equipment also. So over here on the left side, you will see the employee's name plus any important equipment we might need to schedule, like a company vehicle or tools. So across the top, here you have got the days of the weeks, right? So you can quickly see all plan at one glance. And next, under this days, here you can see some kind of colorful blocks. So you all have one doubt. What do you mean by this? So I can say that those are the tasks where they sit on the grid tells you exactly when and for who that the task is scheduled. For example, if I'm going to spot this blue color block next to the Cherry Nelson, I can say that uh, a new task is assigned to him on the Monday 28th. So at the top, right here, you can see an open shift area. So that means like our to-do list. Here you can see it is the to-do list for this week. So these are the tasks that still need to be assigned to someone also. So let's assign that very easily. First of all, we have some kind of steps. First step is first look at what still needs doing under the open shift. So here I'm going to take this shift from this open shift and next decided who or what equipment is right for the job. So here I'm going to take the crane to as right to this task and then just drag and drop the task there to here to the person or the equipment at the right time slot. So that's it. We are just assigned a task to this particular crane. So once something is assigned, the color of the block gives you some more extra information. So let's dive into there. First of all, we have some kind of bright, solid colors. Here you can see that. So it means the shift is fully planned and published. Everyone knows about it. And we have some kind of diagonal strips right here. So here it means a plant but not yet published. So which we can say it's like a draft. And next is actually a gray background behind a name. So it means that person is off. We know that every employees can take time off, right? So this person is actually on time off. So uh, we can't schedule any kind of task to them. And next is like progress bar. When I'm scrolling down, let me show you a kind of progress bar here. So it means uh, a task is done when it's already underway. So let me show you some more options in the task also. So first thing, you can drag any blocks to a new time, like new time, new days, and a person or a piece of equipment also. So here you can do that. And next thing is if a task need to be a longer or shorter, let me show you using this. We can just adjust this mouse into the edge of this task and we can drag from here to the so it is actually uh we are longer this task into here, so we can shorter that using this like this. All right, so here it is and we have some kind of split shift tool also. Here you can see that. And in here, in this side, the top of this dashboard, here you can see some more options. Let me show you that. So first of all, it's new button. So we can add a new shift using this button, and we have a publish button. So if you are once done with all the schedules, you can hit the publish button. So it will notify your employees about their schedule task and every kind of things. And while you click on this drop down, this down arrow here, we have two options: copy previous week and auto plan feature also. And while we moving into here, you can see some of other views. First of all, Odoo is defaultly added the Gantt view here, So that's why we can see like this card shaper things on here, and the related things also here. And we have the calendar view, we have the list view, we have the Kanban view, and we have the pivot view, and lastly we have the graph view also. So you can take any view from here. So in this video, I hope you will understand about what is the overview of this dashboard and how it's more effective while we creating or while we adding a new shift and we assigning the shift to the I mean uh to the particular employee also. So if you like this video, do subscribe, share with your friends. Have a nice day and thank you.